This is Dr. N.S. Savla, lecturer in physics, Government Polytechnic RV. So today we are going to perform experiment number 15, that is refractive index of material of prism. So we have this prism and we have to find the refractive index of the material of which this prism is made up of. Okay. So I am going to tell you the procedure how to perform this experiment. Okay. So for that we have prism. So this paper is affixed on a drawing board on which this paper is affixed with the help of pins, and then put a prism on the paper like this, and with the help of pencil draw the outline of this prism which I have already drawn. Okay. Then remove the prism. Okay. Then from this side, with the help of this D, at this side draw a normal. That is perpendicular, that is at 90 degree. Just take a point and then draw a normal which is perpendicular to this side. Now with respect to this normal, first of all take the position of 30 degree, that is incident angle is 30 degree. Okay. And then join this. So this angle now becomes 30 degree. So this is now our angle of incidence. Okay. Now with the help of this pin we are going to find the refraction. Just put these two pins over here on this incident ray. Okay. Then put the prism exactly on the on line like this. Okay. Now there is a refraction from this air medium to this denser medium. There is a one refraction, and from this denser medium to this rarer medium there is a second refraction. So we have to observe this second refraction in this side. Okay. Now observe the images of these two pins in this side. So observe. So I find the first pin at this position. Okay. And second pin at this position. With the help of this pin you have to just find the points. Okay. Just find the points. Okay. And then remove the prism. Okay. With the help of this D again draw a normal on this side as well. Okay. Because with respect to normal we are going to take the measurements. ठीक है. यहाँ पे normal draw करेंगे. ठीक है. And then join these 2 points with the point of intersection at the normal. इस नॉर्मल के साथ ये जो हमको पिन की इमेजेस मिली है, ये पॉइंट्स, इसको हम इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके. एंड मोर ओवर ये हमारा इंसिडेंट रे है. ओके. इसको आगे प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, यहाँ तक लाएंगे, एंड देन अगेन प्रोड्यूस इट आउटसाइड द ट्राइंगल. ओके. एंड सी दिस. सो दिस एंगल between incident ray and the refracted ray, this angle is called angle of deviation. Okay. ये एंगल आपको मेजर करना है. With the help of this D I am going to measure this angle. Okay. And this angle is found to be 46 degree. Okay. For incident angle of 30 degree, for an incident angle of 30 degree, the angle of minimum deviation is 46 degree. Okay. Now this prism, if you see that this is a triangle and this is equilateral triangle, means each sides are equal and each angle are equal. Okay. So each angle will be of 60 degree. So angle of prism is called 60 degree, and this is the formula to determine the refractive index of prism. Sin of a plus delta m by 2 whole divided by sin of a by 2 means 60 divided by 2, फिर उसका साइन लेना है. ठीक है. And this delta m is the angle of deviation. Now you have to repeat the same procedure for an angle of incidence 35 degree. ये अभी हमने angle of incidence 30 degree के लिए मेजर किया. You have to repeat the same procedure, find the minimum angle of deviation for 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60 degree angle of incidence. ठीक है. ये एक्सपेरिमेंट मैंने ऑलरेडी परफॉर्म कर रखा है. यू कैन सी द रीडिंग्स. ठीक है. द रीडिंग्स आर ऑल्सो पोस्टेड इन द गूगल क्लासरूम. ठीक है। 30 डिग्री के लिए हमको मिनिमम ऑफ एंगल और डेविएशन कितना मिला, 46, ठीक है। नाउ यू हैव टू प्लॉट अ ग्राफ लाइक दिस, एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन, जो एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन आपको मिला है ऑन दिस वाई एक्सिस, देन एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस 30, 35, ये एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस आपको एक्स एक्सिस पे प्लॉट करना है, यू विल गेट द ग्राफ लाइक दिस, ठीक है। एट दिस बॉटम यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे वाई एक्सिस पे लाइक दिस, एंड दिस इज योर एंगल ऑफ मिनिमम डेविएशन डेल्टा एम फ्रॉम ग्राफ, and from the reading if you see this 32 degree is found to be the angle of minimum deviation 32। तो आपको 2 बार कैलकुलेशन करनी है while calculating this refractive index of prism sin of a plus delta a, यानी आप 60 लेंगे, डेल्टा m एक बार क्या लेंगे, डेल्टा m लेना है 32 डिग्री फ्रॉम द रीडिंग, ठीक है, एंड डिवाइडेड बाय साइन ऑफ a plus 60/2। इस तरीके से एक बार रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कैलकुलेट करें। सेकेंड टाइम फ्रॉम ग्राफ फाइंड द एंगल ऑफ मिनिमम डेविएशन फ्रॉम ग्राफ यूजिंग दिस वैल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा एम इन दिस फार्मूला, फाइंड द refractive index of prism, okay। So in this way you have to determine refractive index of prism, okay। Thank you।